What are you doing? Oh my God! This fucking boy is crazy! You're drowning. You're drowning.
Kill your snaggy there.
Kill it. Oh, kill it. Don't take no pictures of me. Fucking record that shit.
You kill my mood when you do that.
You gotta act like Tom Brokaw.
Fucking hurt my life, okay?
You gotta act like Tom Brokaw. You don't know what's going on, but you do. Tom Brokaw that shit.
I think you cheated, bro.
9 behind. No, she just got that force for
That's
girls.
an 8.
Dump that shit on. That's a 9, nigga.
69. Like a boinker.
Yo.
I want some better music than this.
You like Beach Boys?
Hey, you ain't thump your little green man off. You ain't thump your little green man off either. So take 2.
You and your fucking gay rules. That's nigger music. Gotta turn it. 6 for Dick.
I hit the wrong button.
6 for Boink Goose.
6 for Dick. Thump that green man off.
Take a brand new bang, baby. Yeah.
It's popping, nigga.
Woo! Take that leg. Take a leg. Take a leg. Take a leg.
Thank you, leg.
Woo! Take a leg.
Oh, shit. Oh, stack your leg.
I'm done. I quit. Woo!
This nigga's got hot moves.
God, I'll take you off.
What Mike Gilligan wouldn't kill to have this video. Yeah.
God, you ruined my buzz.